In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up notifications in monday.com. Start by opening the board where you want to control alerts. Once the board is on screen, go to the top area and click the board name. This opens the board information panel where the board level settings are grouped together. If you do not see the options right away, make sure you click the board name itself and not an item inside the board. Inside that panel, look for the notifications section. In this area, you will see the current notification setting for the board. It may say something like everything, depending on how the board is configured at the moment. Click that current setting to open the board notifications window. This is where you can decide how much activity from this board should appear in your notifications. In the board notifications window, choose the mode that fits how you want updates handled. If you select Receive All, you will get notified about all board activity. This setting is useful when you need visibility into every change, update, or action happening on that board. If you select Mute All, notifications for that board are turned off. That means activity from this board will no longer send you alerts. This option is helpful when a board is active but not relevant to your day-to-day work, or when you want to reduce interruptions from that specific workspace. The third option is Custom. This setting gives you more control over what reaches you. Instead of receiving everything or nothing, you choose the types of board activity that should trigger a notification. Select Custom if you want alerts tied only to actions that involve you directly or to selected automated events. After choosing Custom, review the available notification types and select the ones you want. You can choose notifications for situations where someone mentioned you, where you were assigned to something, or where an automation includes a notify step. These options let you narrow the flow of updates so that the board only alerts you about specific events. Make sure the notification types you pick match the activity you actually want to track, since the custom setting depends on those individual selections. Once your notification mode is set and any custom selections are in place, click Save. This applies your notification preferences to the board. If the window stays open for a moment, wait for the change to register, then continue working as usual. Your save choice will control how monday.com handles notifications for that board going forward. Your monday.com board notifications are now set to receive all updates, mute all alerts, or use a custom notification selection.